3, 2, 1. Okay, I want to put some explanation to the Arranger Track, which I did a video about recently. So let's choose something to work with. That'll do. Press P to select the area. Now focus on the Arranger Track. What we've got to do, get the pencil tool, and around the sections that we want to arrange and do something with, we need to draw in these segments here. Look, now they can get fiddly. See, putting it in between there can get a bit fiddly at times. And you can draw what you want, and it's dependent on your grid, so you set that up. You can even go over them, so you see it goes smaller like that. It's getting fiddly now. There you go, there's one. And every one that you do draw is placed in the Arranger events down there, and it's labelled accordingly, and you can give it its own name and whatnot and change the colours if you want, but you can figure that one out for yourself once you understand how to do the basics. So anyway, select which bits you want to go in and in what order. You can double click them, you can drag them, it's up to you. Do it like that. There you go, mixture of both. And you can mix them up, do all manner of different things, add more if you want, in whatever order that you want. Now in addition, you can also change the amount of times that they play to, what's that, do that one 3. I have no idea how this is going to sound, by the way. That one's just going to do 4, do that one 2, do it 2, do it 2. And then what we've got to do is activate the Arranger Track. So you turn it on, just there, and well, let's listen. While it's playing, take notice that the triangle of the Arranger Track event that's playing changes to a deeper grey, and it flicks down the list. Some audio skipping there. Now imagine the potential. This is on 4 bars. You could do a whole track if you want. You could put, well, indeed, you could do a whole series of tracks if you want to mix them all up. But the potential is quite staggering. It's quite complicated what it's actually doing when you think about it. So really, you can do some complicated editing very quickly and very easily. So there you go. You can trial it out just like that. That's all good and well. But what next? Well, watch this bit. Click on the edit of the Arranger Track, and you'll see all the events, and you can do some more editing in there if you wish. Now you could just straight flatten what you've just done, which basically means it's just going to create a new project with the edited events in there, or you've got some choices if you click on this one. So you can create a new project, you can keep the track just as a reference, see what's going on, split events, don't split events, it's up to you. So if I press this flatten button, it's exactly the same as pressing this flatten button there. It looks like a mangler of some sort. So let's see what it does. There you go. It's created a new project with all the edits in that I've just made. So let's rewind, let's play. Now let's just widen the area. Now I think that's a really good tool for playing with. You can have some great fun with that. Move this out of the way. Finished.